In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hold battle rope properly. This is a common question from a lot of battle rope beginners, so today I'm going to try to answer that question for you. And also make sure to stay until the end of the video for my secret giveaway. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Max. I am on my journey to find my max in physique transformation through a sustainable fitness lifestyle. So if this is something that you'd like, follow me on this journey and hopefully you can find your max as well. All right guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to hold battle rope properly. So there are two ways of holding a battle rope. The first one, this is a overhand grip, okay? This is overhand grip. So you just, so basically the end of a handle is going to the top where your thumb is, okay, and you hold it like this. So typically you would use an overhand grip for the movements that you're probably gonna have to throw the rope over your head, maybe like a hip to hip toss or like a jumping jack, okay? So this is the time where you would use a overhand grip. The second grip, this is actually, we call it the handshake, okay? So when you hold a rope like this, the end of the rope is towards your wrist, okay? End of the rope is towards your wrist. So you will hold the rope like a whip, okay? You'll hold it like a whip. So typically you would use a handshake grip for all the wave movements, okay? And to be honest, this is the only two grips that you probably need to know to start off your battle rope exercise. However, I want to give you another additional tip about holding the battle rope, which is you don't want to hold the rope at the very, very end, okay? Overhand grip, you want to hold it probably right here, okay? Give a little spacing till the end, okay? Normally, all ropes would have a wrap over it, so you kind of want to hold it at the end of it towards the end of the grip, okay? You will want to hold it like this, okay? Give a little spacing. Same thing with a handshake grip. You want to hold it like this, okay? Another thing to take in consideration is the fact that when you are actually doing the movements, holding the battle rope, don't hold it so tightly, okay? Don't hold it so tightly. It doesn't matter if it's a handshake grip or an overhand grip, okay? Why you don't want to hold it too tightly? Because if you hold it too tightly, your forearm is going to exhaust so much faster than any other parts that you really want to target. So you're not going to get the best workout out of it, okay? So you want to hold it enough so the rope doesn't fly out of your hand, but you don't want to hold it too tightly from the beginning, okay? Because we're not just doing a grip training, okay? We're doing battle rope. This is like a conditioning exercise, a full body exercise, okay? So this is one very important thing in regards of how to hold your battle rope. In the beginning of the video, I talk about I have a gift for you. That's right. So what I got for you is a completely free, downloadable, I call it the Ultimate Beginner's Battle Rope Guide. With this PDF, everything you need to know to start with your battle rope exercise is all in one place, okay? We talk about the posture of the body, we talk about the grip, and we talk about the tips and tricks that you need to know. And I give you 5 different exercises, and with all the movements all drawn out for you. With this gift, that you can easily get started with battle rope exercise quite easily. Now, if you want more, I also have a playlist that is all battle rope related topic. So you should probably be able to see right about now. All right, guys, until next time, peace.